Welcome to our English lesson on restaurant vocabulary. Today we'll explore a conversation between two friends dining out. Get ready to learn new phrases, idioms, and practice your speaking skills. Let's dive in. Let's listen to a conversation between Sarah and Mike at a restaurant.
Hi, Mike. This place looks fancy. Have you been here before?
No, it's my first time. I've heard their seafood is to die for.
Great. Should we start with some appetizers?
I think I'll go for that. What about you?
I'm torn between the steak and the vegetarian lasagna.
Why don't you ask the waiter for a recommendation?
Good idea. Excuse me, waiter.
Yes, how can I help you?
Could you recommend the steak or the vegetarian lasagna?
Both are excellent choices, but our steak is our signature dish. It's cooked to perfection and melts in your mouth.
That sounds amazing. I'll have the steak. Medium rare, please.
And I'll take the salmon, please.
Excellent choices. Would you like to see the wine list?
Yes, please. We're pushing the boat out tonight.
Let's pause here. The phrase to die for means extremely good and desirable. For example, the chocolate cake at the bakery is to die for. Appetizers are small dishes served before the main course. Some other examples can be chicken wings or soup or noodle. Catch of the day refers to fresh fish available that day. It's often used in seafood restaurants. When someone is torn between options, it means they're having difficulty choosing. For instance, I'm torn between going to the beach or mountains for vacation. Melts in your mouth is an idiom meaning the food is so tender and delicious that it seems to dissolve in your mouth. For example, the slow-cooked pulled pork melts in your mouth. Pushing the boat out is an idiom, meaning to spend more money than usual on something special. For instance, we're pushing the boat out for Mom's birthday party this year. Now let's practice what we have learned. I'll ask you some questions about the conversation. Take 10 seconds to think about each answer. After every 10 seconds, I will give you an answer as well. Let's start. What phrase did Mike use to describe the seafood at the restaurant? Answer: to die for. Second, what does catch of the day mean? Answer: the fresh fish available that day. Third, what idiom did the waiter use to describe how tender the steak was? Answer: melts in your mouth. Great job! Now let's do some role-playing. I'll be the waiter and you be the customer. Respond aloud to my questions. That will help your pronunciation. Let's start. Waiter: good evening. Are you ready to order? Do you like to start with some appetizers? Excellent choice. And for your main course? Perfect. Would you like to see our dessert menu after your meal? Well done! You're becoming a pro at restaurant English. Congratulations on completing this English lesson. Remember, practice makes man perfect. The more you use these phrases and idioms, the more natural they will become. Now take a minute to close your eyes, absorb what we have learned. Imagine yourself confidently ordering in a restaurant using new vocabulary. Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing and soon you will be ordering like a native speaker. Until next time, happy learning!